Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Moto E13. To do this, you'll need to open the Google Play Store, and in here click on the top to begin the search, enter Microsoft Edge. Then select this browser, and it's already installed, so you can open it. And if you don't have it installed, then let me show you how to do it quickly. We need to uninstall it first, and here's the install button. Click on it. When it's ready, click on the open. Then you can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. From here, you should be able to open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.